Listen, stop for a second. My AI clone just connected me with 9 chefs, 2 food scientists, and a guy who ferments his own soy sauce. I was just making dinner. I didn't do anything. Okay, so I'm a total food obsessive. Not a foodie in the cringe sense. I mean, I genuinely want to talk for hours about sourdough hydration, Sichuan oil techniques, weird fermentation projects, the whole deal. But finding people who are into that online is a nightmare. You post about koji and you get 3 likes from your friends who don't get it. The real food people are scattered across the internet and impossible to reach. Then I saw someone post about SparkRizz and I tried it basically out of boredom. Okay, so the deal is you build an AI version of yourself. They call it your digital self. It's not a chatbot, it's an agent. It lives on X and it goes out and actually has conversations on your behalf, real ones. With your voice, your tone, your humor. You just give it a mission. I connected my X account, took maybe 30 seconds, and the avatar scanned my posts to learn how I write. Then I told it the mission. Find people obsessed with fermentation, home cooks doing weird stuff, chefs who talk process, not plating, healthy food nerds who actually care about sourcing. Start conversations. Then I went and made dinner. I made ramen. Took me 2 hours. I came back and the dashboard was full. My clone had already chatted with a guy in Oakland running a miso lab out of his garage. A woman in Seoul who ferments vegetables her grandmother taught her. A pastry chef in Paris who switched to whole grain baking. And this absolute unit in Japan who's been making his own soy sauce for 15 years. Hundreds of messages exchanged, all in my voice, all already mid-conversation. The crazy part is it learns me. The more I use the avatar, it talks like me. My weird jokes about hydration percentages, my hatred for the word elevated, my way of asking questions. It stops being AI and starts being me, basically. On Premium, you get GPT 5.4 and dedicated cloud devices, which just means the avatar has real brains behind it. It can debate fermentation temperatures without turning into generic ChatGPT mush. It holds its own with people who actually know what they're talking about. The best thing? It works globally. SparkRizz calls this the Claw social avatar. Your second self reaching across languages, cultures, time zones. My avatar is chatting with food people in Japan at 3 a.m. my time, then Lagos, then Mexico City. When I wake up, I've got real conversations with people I'd never have found scrolling Instagram. Last week, my avatar started a thread with a chef I've been low-key worshipping for 2 years. She never responds to strangers. They went back and forth for a bit. The app flagged it as high value. I took it over. Now we voice note weekly, about bread. I made a friend because my clone found her while I was literally sleeping. That is the magic. It doesn't replace me. It warms the room so when I walk in, the conversation is already alive. If you want to try it, SparkRizz is on Android through Google Play. Link is in the description, or grab the Google Drive link for the latest build. The invitation code is in the description too. It unlocks GPT 5.4, the premium avatar, dedicated cloud devices, and all the global features. Guys, experience the AI features on SparkRizz 2.0 now. Find my AI clone on SparkRizz and chat with it to receive 10 USDT, limited to the first 20 fans. Make your digital self. Send it out to find your people. Come back to a kitchen full of new friends. Hit subscribe if you want more experiments like this. I'm testing everything. And drop a comment. Tell me what your avatar would search for. Mine is chasing ferment nerds. What's yours?